How to build a double fence gate. A yard enclosed by a sturdy fence is a safe place for kids and pets to play. Most yards have a 36-inch wide fence for accessing the yard. However, anyone who has a large lawn tractor or a trailer needs a larger gate. The do-it-yourself handyman can construct a double gate to allow access for large equipment. Things you will need: tape measure, router table, 45-degree bevel router bit, pencil, caulk gun, construction adhesive, framing square, 2.5-inch exterior deck screws, screw gun, miter saw, 2x6 by 8 foot boards, 3 2x4s. Measure the gap between the two posts to calculate the size of the gate, using a tape measure. Cut 2x6 by 8 foot boards to 6 feet, using a miter saw. This is the typical height of a privacy fence. Change the height as needed to match the height of your fence. Set a 45-degree bevel bit into a router table. Adjust the height of the router bit to cut a bevel on each of the 2x6s used in the two gates. This provides an attractive detail for the gate. Lay out each gate on a flat surface just as it will be assembled. Measure the width of each of the gates. Cut 2 2x4s to the width of each of the gates. These are for the horizontal supports for the gates. Apply a strip of construction adhesive to each of the 2x4s. Use a caulk gun for this. Attach a board 9 inches from the top and bottom of each gate. Make sure as it is perpendicular to the 2x6s. Use a framing square to check this. Place 2 2.5-inch wood screws through the 2x4 into each of the 2x6s. Place a 2x4 diagonally across the gate from the top to bottom. Align the outside edge of the diagonal board with the outside edge of the horizontal supports. Draw a line on the 2x4 to show where it needs to be cut to fit between the two horizontal supports. Apply construction adhesive to the diagonal 2x4 and screw it in position in the same manner as the last step. Tips: warnings. Use heavy-duty hinges to support the gate and keep it from sagging over time. Wear safety glasses when using power tools.